Your vehicle is a major investment that you rely on every day. Protecting your vehicle by changing the oil regularly is the most important routine maintenance there is. Not sure what type of oil your vehicle needs? Our factory-trained and certified technicians will help you determine exactly what your engine needs and develop a recommended maintenance schedule for your vehicle. Our synthetic oil changes use OEM parts and supplies made specifically for your make and model. Synthetic oil contains fewer impurities and performs better at extreme temperatures. Scheduled synthetic oil changes are crucial too. Cooling your engine's moving parts, lubricating better at extreme temperatures, fewer emissions, and better fuel economy. Preventing wear and protecting the life of your engine and cleaning sludge and deposits. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.